Till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly.
What's up, dolls? This is Jack Johnson, and I'm coming back at y'all with a brow tutorial. I forgot to record the intro, so we're going to go right ahead with this video. First, I'm going to start by brushing my brows upwards. Then I'm going to take the Nika K New York brow pencil in dark brown and outline the bottom of my eyebrow. For my eyebrow slit, I like to start at the tail of my eyebrow. From there, I gently stroke the pencil across the bottom of my eyebrow, making an outline. Now I'm going to brush these hairs down to make a clean outline across the top of my brow. Now I'm going to make the top and bottom of my eyebrow meet, and continue to do that across the ends of the slit. I'm brushing my hairs back in place now, and I'm defining my arch, and slowly starting to fill in my eyebrows. I'm taking my brow brush and blending my brow hairs with the product. Line the bottom of the eyebrow just like the first, except this time we're going to fill it all the way through. Repeat the same process on top. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige, and I'm going under my brow. Line the concealer across the top. Now I'm taking my flat brush and I'm blending downward. And with the top, I'm blending upward. I'm going back with my brow tool, but this time I'm using the comb side and combing through my brow hairs to give it that gradient effect. And repeat this step for the other brow. Blend it out. Okay, now to make sure that our eyebrows are even, okay, when you put the brush towards the inner corner of your nostrils, it should line up with the beginning of your eyebrow. In the end, when you put the brush diagonally across your nostril, it should be where your arch is. And when you put the brush towards the tip of your nostril, that's where the end of your eyebrow should be. Alright, that's all, dolls. Let me know what else y'all want to see on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next makeup video.
I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury. That's my